Serious question, and apologies if you answered this elsewhere, but there's no death before sin, which I believe. How would the earth not have become overcrowded in relatively short order? Well, several things to consider there. What we look at, planet Earth, is 70% underwater. It was not that way in the original creation. And plus, I don't think it was tipped over at 23.5 degrees. I think it was perpendicular, just guessing. And as it spins now, everybody gets 12 hours daylight, 12 hours darkness, equinox. Okay. And if it had a crystal canopy overhead, you could have a garden at the North Pole, South Pole, everywhere. Even temperature, 12 hours daylight, 12 hours darkness, all the time on the whole Earth, and mostly habitable. It just had seas, but no oceans, because the water was under the crust of the Earth. That water came shooting up when the fountains of the deep broke open. So I think it would hold a much greater population than we have today, by virtue of the fact that A, you got a lot more land, and B, fruiting capacity was incredible. So even then, you're right, at some point you would reach capacity. God apparently saw that all ahead of time. And I guess a couple options. One is he knew the flood was coming. These folks aren't going to make it long enough to worry about it. Or maybe some people said that's what some of the other planets are for, to colonize them. That seemed to be a stretch to me, but hey, I don't know. Ask God when we get to heaven.